So, good night, guys. I'll say. So today, we are playing the admin abuse for Slime RNG, and sorry I'm a bit late because it's 11:56 p.m. It's a little late, but guys, this admin abuse is I'll say nice for me. Um, you can see. I didn't got something that crazy, but at least I got something. And these are all my best. See, I press equip best. These are all my best. This video is not going to be like that long, but this is going to be something. So yeah, and let's see. Roll speed. Okay, roll speed is nice. Roll speed is kind of nice. Yo, nah, this is trash. This is trash. I'd not say trash. I'd say mid. Yeah. I'd say the best for me will be a billion, like 1 in a billion. Guys, tell me, like, what all things you have in Slime RNG, like, in the comments. Whoa, I can't even see, bro. What is this? Witchy Wizzy, okay. Nice, I guess. Wizzy is just 1 in 29 million, bro. Trasher than that. The only thing that we got. Okay, we need something good, bro. I'm trying to feed my slimes the fruits, but I'm not able to find fruits, bro. Goop. Okay, goop. Okay. 2 guests at once. Crazy. Let's check this. Okay, crazy. Okay. So they're showing Big Bucky in the this thing, 470 million, and just look. I got so many things. I got earlier in the admin abuse. Look, MC Shooter Bomb 307 million. Sorry guys. Next. Shiny Stormy 769 million. So all of these, I've never got a 1 in a billion. So yeah. Whoa! I almost got 1 SP, 1 in SP. Let's check. Here's IO. There must be. Okay. We aren't getting something that good. Big guess is also crashed. Yeah, we just got it, I guess. Yeah, over here I see. I didn't look. But we still got it. I just need inverted dice. Inverted dice as my dream. Okay, coins are saved. No, it's luck. What do you mean nice? It's trash. Atlantis over there. We are at Pumpkin Patch. Okay, guys. So the next thing that we are gonna do is find some fruits and all. So yeah. Okay, let's see what we get. Ice fruit. Somewhere over here. Let me see. Okay, ice fruit. Okay. Collect, and we're gonna feed the ice fruit. Bruh. Trash. Everybody's finding ice fruits. Okay. Can you even let me breathe, bro? Not amazed. Oh, big dice. We can get something good. Let's see, guys. This video is going to be a little long. a little short, sorry. Okay, it's just how you see. GLG, what does GL mean? Oh, good luck, good luck. 5 more spins and he's gonna leave. Guys, this admin abuse, only one thing happens. Only the admin abuse spins, nothing else. There's no other command. Okay. Clover X4. No, no Clover. We don't need that. Grr, I don't need that. Okay. Okay. Something trash. People are getting one in and Torelli. Guys, this old but gold guy is getting so many good things. See? 3 good things at once. Oh, 4. How much luck does bro has? Okay, it's mutation luck, so it's trash. Okay, 16, 32, 64, 138, 256, 512. And it's trash. Okay guys, that's it for the video today. So bye guys, meet you in the next video. Bye guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye guys.